Data types in Python. Built-in data types. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Python has the following data types built in by default in those categories. Text type, string, str. Numerical types, integer, float and complex, int, float, complex. Sequence types, list, tuple, range. Mapping type, dictionary. Set types, set, frozen set. Boolean type, bool, boolean. Binary types, byte test, byte array, memory view. And lastly, non-type, and it is non-type. Alright, now let's jump to the Jupyter Notebook, and you can get the data type of any object by using type function. We already tested that previous video. If you're not yet, then you can check it out there. So print, suppose if you get a what data type is this one. So if you get a print and type x, you'll get this is int, means this is integer. So you can get this you can check this all the things. If you wanna check this one, print type x, this is string, str. This type is str. Similarly, you can just copy and paste it down here. This is the int, this is the integer, and this is the float, and this is the complex, of course. This is list, this is tuple, range, dictionary, set, frozen set, boolean, byte test, byte array, and this is memory view. Also, this boolean is you print boolean. Right, if you write a prompt, boolean. Okay. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.